Alright, so if you're watching this video, you want to learn how to rebuild a dirt jump lip. I had a lot of people been asking me how to build dirt jumps and any tips and stuff. It's a really nice day today and this lip needs some work. Show you guys how to rebuild this lip. I've been riding it dry. It's been a really weird winter in California. It's been really nice and not raining as much as last year, but I would like some more rain to keep building this spot. Recently built this spot with a bunch of homies and kind of ran out of rain, but I carried 4 gallons of water from the house to here, and I'm gonna see what I could do with 4 gallons of water. So I got this much water today in a flathead shovel. Alright, as you can see, this lip is pretty dry. First step, scrape all the loose dry dirt off. You're gonna want to use this dirt to patch all this stuff. You want to get any grass or sticks or anything that's gonna mess up the dirt. I let it pack right. All right, for this next step, we're adding water. Don't have much, so we're gonna try to conserve as much as we can. Ooh, it doesn't want to stick to the... Sometimes you get the dirt that's so dry that it repels the water. Alright, so that was 1 whole gallon right there. Got a nice little bit of wetness going. We're using another gallon real quick. So this is gallon number 2. Try to conserve it. I'll take the little bit I have left, add it to all this that we scraped. Let it soak in. Probably crack open another gallon. It's gonna be really hard to get all this with 4 gallons. It's really dry out here today. So you want to put all your leftover scraping dirt or whatever you want to call it down here to catch it, so you can use that later to fill. So we're down to 1 gallon left. So I let this try to soak in for a little bit. Still super dry. Oh man. You want to scrape all like the rundown, use as much as possible that's still wet. And all this wet stuff you want to throw up in the where it's got to fill the most. So normally if you have a hose or something, you could just soak it. I don't have a hose, so you gotta make the most of the water. Always like slide your shovel when you're hitting it so it doesn't stick. It packs it nice. Alright, so this is my last gallon of water. I gotta make it count. Get these little dry spots right here. I got no water left really. Let's try to use it wisely. Alright, looks a lot better than it did before. It's not perfect, didn't have enough water to get really dialed, but I carried all that on my back from home. And just hopefully it motivates some of you guys to go out and maybe fix a local spot or something, or go build a jump. It's a really nice day today. Didn't want to spend inside. Alright, so the dirt hasn't really soaked in that much because it's barely any water, so it's gotta rut up a bunch. Let's go back and just give it a nice little pack in. So it doesn't get torn up too bad. But it held together really nice actually. And it felt really good. Let's get some laps. This thing's amazing. I can just pedal right back to the top.